Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glass House Maya. You know nobody flyer. This is your first time here. Welcome. And on this channel, I talk about everything from fashion. Sometimes I do vlogs, and sometimes I do art, and just a plethora of things. Okay, but today's video is gonna be about easy, comfy outfits. Okay, outfits where it looked like you got up in the morning and tried. So that is what we are going to be doing today, is showing you 7 or 8, haven't decided, different outfits today. And so for my jewelry, I just have on this dragon necklace and a lock necklace. I have on some gold rings and my Timex watch, a beaded bracelet, and a Guess bracelet. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Throughout the video, I may add a bag here, a bag there, but more so, it's just gonna be about these outfits, okay, and how you can be comfortable in these outfits. So if this is something you like, all right, consider subscribing to your girl channel. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, make sure you turn on that bell notification so that you can be notified when your girl, all right, uploads another video. So let's just get into these outfits, okay? Ooh, so I'm actually gonna talk through this last outfit because it wasn't planned. It's a bonus outfit, okay? It's what I'm rocking today, okay? So check that out. And I just have on red chucks to go with some of the red in this Dragon Ball Z dragon. I got the dragon necklace, okay? Shinron, all right? And your girl made this shirt herself, okay? I put it together and I made it happen, okay? So if you want to see how I press this shirt, I do have a video, but I'm gonna need at least 10 likes on this video and I'll post that video on how I sublimate t-shirts, okay? But yes, girl got the corduroy, just bringing in the color. Yes, loving it. But shirt is really nice. I'm gonna move this in front of the light so y'all can see it real nicely. Oh, bumping the wall. So yeah, so here's the shirt. Dragon Ball Z. Dragon. The Dragon Ball Z. Make a wish, you only get one. Okay, who you bringing back? Okay? But anyways, so let me record the ending to this video so I can get up out of here. So that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, all right? Comment down below in the comments which outfit you think is the most comfortable or the one that you like the most. Also give this video likes if you want to see how I made this shirt. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? You've been watching this channel, but you're not subscribing, fam, okay? Over here in this glass house, we like to express who we are just by being ourselves. So if that's you, then hit the button, hit the bell notification, push every button, because right now I gotta go clean up this shady aftermath. See how I done that there? Of all of these outfit changes. So I gotta go, okay? I will see you in the next video, all right? Peace.